All right, welcome back, guys. This is going to be a good unboxing. A lot of firsts in here. So, my first Carrera product, my first Sideways, Racer Sideways, I think they call them. First all-wheel drive slot car in here. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. But yeah, so probably will be my last order for a little bit. I think I have enough cars now to last me at least a few months. So we will see. Alright, what do we got here? Up first, I believe this is the Carrera item. Let's just get this unboxed real quick. Yeah. So it has a bit of cardboard on it to protect it. That's nice. There we go. So this is a carrying case. I've kind of outgrown the ones that I have. So I have so many cars coming now. So this is actually a pretty nice case. One of the guys at the club have it, so seemed nice. Check it out, you know. I think I'll give it a go. So yeah, that's the Carrera item. Sorry, it's not a Carrera car. Maybe one day. Haven't really got into the Carrera stuff yet. A lot of little spare parts again. I think that's everything. Save the cars for last. So for the spare parts, I got some slotted braids. These are ones that have these little metal tips at the end. So I got them just in case I needed them for specific cars. More of the chamfered screws. So allow the body to have a float on the chamfered edge. It's nice. Got a couple of those now. Got some ballast weight. Hopefully I got 2 of these. Yep, these are actually really nice. These are ballast weights in the shape of the magnet that comes in the car. So they sit in really good positions in the chassis. Motor screws, just in case, you know, if I lose any. These are interesting. I bought a bunch of suspension parts. I kind of wanted to try out suspension for the first time. So I got these. I believe they're for my F1 car, and then also they will fit the GT40 I have, the 917, and I also believe the 911. And then I just got another thing of weight. So that's it on the spare parts. All right, let's check out the cars now. What do we got here? Up first, this is the Racer Sideways car. Or Sideways? I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up. I think just Sideways. But yeah, very nice looking car. It's the Porsche Moby Dick. Yeah, we kind of have been racing these more often at the club. So, I figured I'd get one. One more thing of weight I found. This is a 4-wheel drive car. If you remember my last race recap video, we started racing the rally cars. So both of my rally cars are kind of terrible. So I thought I'd give this one a try. This is now my 3rd rally car. Hopefully this one works as fast. But yeah, so it's good. It's all-wheel drive. It's much lower than the other 2, and it's, I don't know, the other 2 I don't think were, I don't know. One of them is an SCX car. I think it's more of a toy, more meant to run with a magnet. The other one I think is more for like a rally tracks. So hopefully this one will be good. This one's a little special. I was actually surprised I was able to find this in stock. It was sold out basically everywhere I looked online. But Slot Car Union actually had 2 of them, I think, in stock. So figured I'd pick it up. So, another one of my slotted cars with kind of like a pop-up fancy case, which is cool. But so this is another LMP car. But what makes this one kind of special, if I can get it out of the box without breaking it, is, please hold. Come on. There we go. What makes this one a little special is it's all-wheel drive. You can see by the belt up front. So this box contained not only my first all-wheel drive car, but also my second one. So yeah, I'll give it a try, see if it works any faster, or if it's any better than my two-wheel drive car, two-wheel drive Audi LMP car that I have. But yeah, pretty cool. All right, that's going to do it for this unboxing. Get subscribed for the upcoming reviews on not only these 3 cars, but also the 3 cars that I had in the last unboxing. So yeah, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.